Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your MetaMask wallet. First, locate the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser's extension bar. Click on it to open the wallet interface. You will then be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully into the designated field. After entering your password, click the Unlock button. This simple process grants you access to your cryptocurrency and decentralized applications. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. You can restore your wallet using your secret recovery phrase, also known as your seed phrase. This is a sequence of 12 words that acts as a master key. When prompted, select the Import using Secret Recovery Phrase option. Enter each word precisely in the correct order. This method will allow you to set a new password and regain full control of your assets. Protecting your MetaMask wallet is crucial. Always create a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Never, ever share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, even if they claim to be from MetaMask support. Store it securely offline, perhaps written down in a safe place. Be vigilant against phishing scams. Always double-check URLs before interacting with any website. To recap, unlocking your MetaMask wallet is straightforward with your password. If you ever forget it, your secret recovery phrase is your lifeline for restoration. Always prioritize security by using strong passwords and safeguarding your recovery phrase. For more tips on managing your digital assets, subscribe to our channel. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.